right now, guys, it was so exciting. About an hour and 20 minutes ago, Venus and Mars were right beside that chimney stack together, and they were glowing like a bright orange. Now, Venus, you can see the morning star has made her way up into the sky. But guys, I was in bed, tightly in there, and I was thinking, Nicole, get outside, get this on camera. And I fell back asleep, and I had a few more dreams in dream time, and then I got back up. And what I'm gonna do is, guys, look at this, we have some friends. I'm gonna try to get this for us again within the next few mornings, so we can witness it, and if it's meant to be, it will be. As always, I love you guys. Let's go get some messages. Happy Love Day. We are being activated with the light. We're not doubting our intuition. And this is from the Earth star to the Soul star and beyond. And she's sitting on a lotus, okay? This means that we have worked with all the worlds. The lower world, the upper world, through the center world, the middle world. And we're expanding. And this has to do with working with telepathy and Mother Earth, the Earth Mother. And what is happening is we are expanding. And we're expanding from healing from our sacred scars. Sacred scar here, okay? Our connection to working with the heart chakra. And healing from our Three of Swords situations. Healing from pain in love. And transmuting that pain into high vibe love. And we're being called to work with 285 hertz in order to continue to heal this pain, okay, guys? And we are restoring patterns of compassion through the heart. And what's happening is, as we're having these light activations, this is connected to our DNA activations with our light codes, with the light. What this frequency is going out into the world. And this is healing the world. This is compassion. Compassion for self, compassion for your path, compassion for the world, compassion for the pain. Because that's how we're going to turn the pain into the pleasure. The pain, from fear to love. And what we've been doing is we've been working with our ancestors and healing with our bloodline. And we spoke about this the last time we met up, guys. This reading will be linked down below if you haven't checked it out yet. And this is activated Metatron'S Rainbow Bridge. We're going to share this message within a second here. It's connected to this. And it's connected to holistic health and healing and what this means and our paths and our journeys and the Kundalini and the two serpents going up the Kundalini. The energy of the opposites working together to create the whole. The dance between ego and spirit. This is a multi-dimensional space and place that means many things. And we're working with our root chakra here. And remember, in order to do this, that means we're working with your star. And what we've been doing is detoxifying. Purification. We've been detoxifying with the body, the mind, and expanding the soul with spirit. And that's our connection to Gemini, the lovers. We're learning to think it through with the priestess. We go and pause. We don't react. We respond. This is the creation of the high vibes. And this is connected to this. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And we found the key. And even if we don't know it yet, we found the key. And this is connected to going through a gateway that we're going to speak about here within a moment. So stay tuned, okay? And we are expanding. The full quarter moon in Aquarius started our growth. Okay? It started our growth. We've started to grow and expand. And this is allowing us to come together and to spin the wheel. This is being activated with our full moon in Leo. As we heal from our tower moments. But our tower moments are what activated us. And this is working with Mars. And we know that Mars and Venus are in their dance. They've begun their dance. And we're going to be expanding off this very soon. There's going to be readings connected to their dance and the expansion with the masculine and the feminine. We are working with the earth. We've been gifted. Remember, we're working with the Earth Mother here, okay? And now we're going to expand with her. And this is connected to this right here. This and this. And we're doing this with our strength to work with all of life. We found our place within the jungle. We've gone home to our natural mother, Mother Earth, the Earth Mother. And we are activating play. We're working with the unknown here. We've activated play within the worlds. We've activated play in order to heal and connect. This is connecting deeper to our divinity. And what this is doing is this is allowing us to find a new level of our authenticity and to play it, guys. She's strumming that sword. And remember, this sword is double-edged. It's balanced. The positive and the negative are held within this sword, the charge. And she's playing this tune, and it's her, and it's connected to this. It's connected to her heart. Through thought and, well, thought and heart, mind and heart, okay? Thought and intuition. And as we expand with this rainbow bridge, as we know, last time we met up, we got a key piece of information. There it is, guys. We're healing our bloodline. We're working with the color orange. And this makes complete sense because this is connected to that cup that the devil's been offering us, trying to trick us. And we know the biggest illusion to see through is it's self offering self the cup. Let's receive these messages, guys. Metatron Rainbow Bridge, always open. The Rainbow Bridge is never closed. It's always open and offers a portal through which you can be in touch with those you have loved but have now passed over. Archangel Metatron watches over this bridge and helps carry those who are dying over it when their time to complete their earthly incarnation is done. No one crosses over this bridge before their soul has agreed to go. And guys, this is something I completely believe in. And this allows us to heal with the death template here and heal the fear from death. Is that yes, we came here to experience all these experiences, but when it's our time to go, it's our time to go. Just like when it's our time to be born, it's our time to be born. As well as we know that we are working with our that have crossed over. This message all came together. Lit, guys, just lit. This is a bridge of light that eases transition, comforts the soul, and signals to those waiting to greet the new. Tired soul, that a celebration on the other side of the veil is to happen. Healing and recuperation may also be needed. So this is organized too. And what's beautiful about this is, you know, many spirit people honor the journey. It's called the journey. When you cross over, you've taken the journey. And it's a beautiful thing. And we're able to let go a little bit and heal from some of the pain of losing a loved one, because they see that, you know, energy is not being destroyed. They're just crossing over. They're taking the journey. And this is a very beautiful thing. And it allows us to, as we get older, to heal with facing our journey and putting the love back in death. No one crosses the rainbow bridge alone, and all are met by angels, by those whom they have known in this life as well as in past lives. This card is here today to remind you that those you love are still with you. You may no longer be able to see them in physical form, but they are just as real in spiritual form as they ever were to you. Their love for you remains strong. They are around you now, bringing comfort, support, and love, just as they would have done if they were still here with you on earth. Where they now reside is across this rainbow bridge, but you are always joined with them. Just as the rainbow has one foot in heaven and one foot on earth, you are entwined as you always were. Love cannot die. It simply changes and evolves. It may be that you struggle to feel your loved ones' spirit, but rest assured they are with you. Look for the signs: a simple scent in the air, a soft breeze from nowhere, a feather from where you least expected it, sunlight pouring into a shaded room. Messages from the other side are varied and will increase at times when you struggle with grief and acceptance of what is rather than what was. You are encouraged to grieve if you need to. Allow Metatron to hold you and help you, but also to live your life anew, now, with firm intent and commitment to the life force in you and the days still left to spend on this side of the rainbow bridge. One day you will be united with those you have lost, but not yet, not now. Both they and Archangel Metatron urge you to live, love, and enjoy the life you have. An incarnation never to be repeated again, with the blessings and gifts you now possess. And guys, this gives us strength. This gives us strength to heal through that pain. This incarnation is this incarnation, and we're not going to repeat this incarnation again. Find strength there. Find strength to heal and to do the harder things that you are afraid to do. Just as the rainbow bridge requires rain and sunlight to create it, so too must a life include the joyful times and the sad times. Colors of experience, growth, and energy that interweave to make you the unique being that you are. And this is how we heal from the trauma. This is how we heal from the pain and the victim templates that we have experienced here, that we came here to experience the whole spectrum and create anew with it. This is massive knowledge to use, to put in play, to heal with, and to celebrate the story of you, you know, with this whole spectrum, the ups, the downs, the dark, the light, the yin, the yang, and the everything between, all the colors of the rainbow. Remember, you are loved here on earth and in heaven. Metatron stands as the in-between point, helping you to feel it all. Pulling this card may also imply that you have special gifts for offering help to those who grieve or to the sick and dying. It is also often chosen by those who are able to convey messages from spirit to help others. Now guys, that's really also very big too for our past, because we know that we came here to be in service. And I was trying very hard not to get choked up there and lose my words, because this is the time of year that my father went into hospice, and he made it till just after my birthday, and then he took this journey. And I've really been missing him. And I know that we're all intertwined, and this message is just a part of all of us, and I needed to hear I needed to hear this message just as many of you have needed to hear this message today. And knowing that before my father crossed over, I couldn't sit with death. I couldn't sit with people. And I often looked at the people that could, you know, in the hospice as angels. But you see, now that's the gift that's been given and passed on to me. Through this experience, I can sit with death. I can be there with people. I can heal with people. I can help. And that means everything to me, to be able to do that. And I know that that is the true value of this world. And that being able to heal with life is a beautiful gift. I have so much gratitude for it. And I just really want to thank you guys for being a part of it, for being a part of everything. We are beautiful people, and I really feel like we need to be reminded of that. We need to be reminded of that. We need to be reminded of the beauty and the positive and the love that we carry within us, because we're always reminded of the negative. It's everywhere we look. And we've also been programmed that anytime, you know, positivity is torn down, tear it down. But that's part of this hack. That isn't part of us. And it's time to let it go, guys. So let's let a little bit of this go today together. Now, we know we're working with the color orange. We're laser focusing on this, okay? Let's get this message. Let's receive it.